In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run daily sales report in QuickBooks Online. If you need a quick snapshot of how your business performed on a specific day, QuickBooks Online gives you a straightforward way to see it. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and make sure you're working in the correct company. The navigation may vary slightly depending on your plan and permissions, but the flow is the same. First, look to the left-hand panel and click Reports. This is your central hub for all financial and performance insights in QuickBooks. Once you're on the Reports page, move to the top and open the Management Reports tab. Management reports are curated sets of reports packaged for review and sharing, and they include a helpful option for tracking sales performance at a glance. From the list, select Sales Performance. This report focuses on how your sales are trending and can be narrowed down to show a single day's numbers. After you open it, you'll see a place to choose the report period. Since we're running a daily sales report, adjust the period to the exact day you want. If you don't see a preset for a single day, choose a custom range and set the same date as both the start and end. This ensures the report reflects only that day's activity and keeps your totals precise. Once the date is set, select Preview. QuickBooks will then run the report for the date and time frame you specified. Give it a moment to process. When it loads, you'll see the sales metrics for the day you selected, summarized in a clean format. This view helps you quickly confirm how much you sold, and it provides a clear reference point if you're comparing one day to another. If you need a different day, simply adjust the report period again and select Preview once more. It's a quick way to review daily performance without digging through multiple screens. If you don't see the Management Reports tab or the Sales Performance option, it may be due to your user permissions or subscription level. In that case, check with your administrator or review your plan details. That's all there is to it. You clicked Reports, open the Management Reports tab, selected Sales Performance, chose your date, and hit Preview. QuickBooks handled the rest. Use this process anytime you want a fast, consistent daily snapshot of your sales. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section the next time you need a refresher.